Visionaries, welcome back for another Merch by Amazon video. Thank you for tuning in. And if you're new to the planet, I've got some awesome stuff here, so you definitely are going to want to subscribe. And for those of you that have seen my videos, find value in the videos, please do subscribe as well. We love new visitors to the planet. So today I'm going to share with you more advanced analytics of my portfolio, of my sales so far in my 1 year and couple months on Merch by Amazon. And I'm going to take you into the more advanced analytics on my Pretty Merch dashboard. So I'm going to start with the general summary here. So as you can see here, what my sales have been, and this is through what would have been Thursday or Wednesday of this week. So the sales to that date were 1,052 sales. You can see I had 32 cancellations. So, 1084, but net 1052 sales, 34 returns. My royalties thus far are just under, or now I've surpassed it, but were just under 4,000. And just under 20,000 in sales overall. My royalties to sale ratio is $3.90. That's quickly exploding upward because, as I was telling you guys in the pricing video that I have, if you haven't seen that, please do take a look to get an idea of what my strategy has been thus far. And I'm kind of transforming that, and that definitely my March month in merch sales video that gives you all the insights you need to what my pricing strategy is now. But essentially, a majority of my shirts are $19.99, so that $5.74 or whatever it is royalty that we get from that. And then I have some shirts that are very popular due to my AMS ads. If you haven't seen that video either, take a look at that. But that particular campaign is doing really well. And so this shirt that's going gangbusters for me right now that I've sold about 40, 50 of in the last month or so, my royalties from that is the $6 and however many cents at selling at $21.99 for that shirt. I have some shirts that say $22.99, $23.99. I'm just like kind of playing with stuff to see what makes sense. And again, pricing is relative to the niche that you're in, the competition in that niche. So, premium pricing might not work for some of the niches that you're in. It just depends on the landscape there. So do obviously price to be competitive within your niche. So overall, averaging $3.90 in terms of royalties, but that's inching up by the day because when I first started out, I was doing entry-level pricing, $13.07, and before that, it was, $12 and whatever it was. I would do that the least amount possible, get a sale, it get ranked, and then start pushing the price up. But I don't do that anymore. If I know I've done best research what the competition is out there, if it is any, I'm finding luck with finding what some of my merch brethren call as a landing zone. I'm finding specific niches that do not have much of competition, if any at all, in there, and then I'm planting my stake and like totally flooding it out. So I'm setting the price how I want to because there's no competition there. And maybe a 1 or 2 shirts that were there and uploaded in 2015 that nobody has bought in umpteen years, it's kind of like I can set my own price from there. So that's what I'm doing, and it's working well for me in general in terms of, again, being able to kind of normalize my portfolio to where my average amount per sale is going up and up. So royalties versus sales, I'm at $3.90. Moving down to my average sales per day. So I guess I've been on, or at that time was on, for 404 days. It's good to know kind of what that was. So over a year, obviously, and a couple months. So I average about 3 sales a day. That's going up by leaps and bounds now, especially now that I tiered up to tier 2000. Definitely putting time and effort into getting lots more shirts up now in the coming days, since I can upload, I think, 200 shirts a day or whatever. So that's going to increase, and I'm especially doing some overhaul or review of what my most profitable niches are and the shirts in that, to see if I can kind of replicate that success with newer designs, different designs, possibly scaled designs, and kind of purging out the stuff that was junk that, just didn't sell. So hopefully, I continue to, again, normalize my portfolio, because the 3 sales a day, I actually, in the last couple of months, sell about five shirts or more. And so this is lifting me, on average, lifting me up out of the days where I was tier 10, tier 25, tier 100, tier 500, and making less sales a day. So now that I'm stable in tier 1000, which that happened, I tiered up to tier 1000 about October, November. So these 6 months ahead, November, December, January, February, March, kind of helped to boost sales in general. And now in the next quarter, I should be well on my way to making double-digit sales per day. So I will keep you guys posted on that. So anyway, average sales per month about 79. Low returns, except March was really weird because I had 10 returns, which that seems like a lot for me because I only average 1 to 2 returns a month, but now it's kicked up to 2 to 3 returns, which I'm not complaining about, because the more you sell, you're likely to have a little bit more in returns, but hopefully that kind of normalizes out. I think it's a sizing issue. More lately, I had larger shirts being returned, as I mentioned in one of my other videos. So it was weird because when they went from, I'm forgetting what the t-shirt manufacturer was before, Port and Company, which is what it is now. The t-shirts were slimmer, right? But Port and Company has larger width sizing. But what about the length? Like, people that want a more roomy shirt don't just want it to get wider this way, and then, it'll look like a crop top or something. Where's the length? So I think that's what's happening. Like, folks that's ordering larger sizes are thinking that it's going to be wider and longer, but it's just wider and it doesn't fit properly on some folks. So that's my theory, because again, all of the returns that I've been getting lately have been extra large plus XL, double XL, triple XL. So just my theory. But anyway, and so then you can see my royalties per month. But let me also I'm sharing a lot of information here, and I'm going to make this a 2-parter. So do tune in to the next video, which will be next Tuesday. As always, I appreciate you guys. Love having you on the planet, sharing with others, bringing others in by sharing my content. I totally appreciate it. And you for being here and subscribing, being a loyal subscriber as well. Very helpful. Love sharing with you guys. You guys give me some great insights, and I totally appreciate you. And until next time, be well and peace, family.